Alright, so we gotta go rescue the Trailblazer, and buddy who owns his truck, he's back, and he's got a new Tacoma. Sorry about the wind noise. But he wants to put his Tacoma through the paces. So we get this truck out of the way. He's gonna bring it in and pull this trailer. Yeah, this thing got no cats. They got stolen when it was at his house. Ooh, this thing's got no fuel. No fuel either. A little scrapey. Not bad. Alright. Yeah, we'll grab the straps out of the bed of the F-150. The tailgate opens. Yeah. See? Yeah, the Trailblazer has a hitch that's a little bit higher, so we'll swap hitches because this thing's low.
Yeah. Well, you can flip it upside down.
Yeah, but we need tools that we don't have.
This, you can flip this upside down.
Oh.
So it goes up.
Oh, yeah.
And then you can get higher.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
It's your fucking shit, dude. Why do you expect me to fucking know this? God damn it, let's go. I'm fucking tired. You want to fix it now?
Well, I mean, if it's easier to stop, because you're going to have to do it there, might as well do it here, right?
Do it here. Don't yell at me.
I don't need the brick, do I?
What?
Do I need that brick?
No, you're already almost there. It won't fit under that. Here, but you gotta do this. Fucking John.
What? Man?
Fuck you and your complicated ass hitch system. I got a regular one. You don't do.
Complicated.
It just the one I got. It just does. It's like the posi on a fucking '69 Dodge Charger. It just does. Here we go. Here we go. Show him how it's done. This freaking guy. I did.
Fucking dumbass. How the fuck you supposed
It went on so it could come off. You're just challenged.
Jesus Christ. Well, go ahead, get it off.
I'll
Challenging,
get it
man.
here.
You should have put it in from the fucking bottom.
Side to
All
side.
the guys don't know how to operate the pitch. God, look how much more travel you got. Holy
Look how you
shit,
couldn't
God.
do that. That took me a second.
Holy shit, God.
Holy shit, bro.
Wow, where you put that in fucking
I hate you. You know what? I fucking hate you, man. Like, I hope you have fucking diarrhea.
like the diarrhea of the mouth that you give.
After you feed us, I hope you have diarrhea.
Put it too high now. Holy shit, man.
No, we're just gonna drag the back now. Just fuck you and the fucking horse you rode in on.
Get there, it's like 60.
I don't know. I tried to get rid of him, but he keeps calling me. Yeah. What a bitch. All right, here we go. How many idiots does it take to hook up a trailer?
3.
Well, 2 and a smart guy.
Thank you.
That's not what I meant. Not at all. We'll set your tailgate down and right on that.
Oh my God, the trailer's flat.
What? Oh. All right. Ooh, we need the controller. All right, Danny, cut it. All right, we made it. Get this guy loaded up, get it back to the shop, and figure out why the hell it's not okay. And that's okay. It's okay to be not okay. Stop it there. Get this trailer tilted back. All right. Thunder. Where's my harness? Oh, where's my switch? It's over here. Look at that. She got a lifty boy. This guy.
Just like the steel cable version of the one that I have.
Yep. Yeah, I got the weak ass. Same thing, not the same thing. Cheaper version. All right. Let's pull this guy out. Bring that other one out just a little bit, John. There we go. We're working for our money. Come on. She's slow, but she's steady. Brake. Woo! Feeling it. All right, she's on. Just got to strap her down. Wheels all loaded up. Ready to go. That off. Yeah. Just grab that, throw it in the bed. All right, to the shop. All right, she made it. Little nose heavy. Probably should have. It's a little wind picked up. Let's get this guy off and figure out what ails it. Straighten the wheel. Alright, so that Trailblazer's got a dead alternator, and it chooks this battery, which has a 5-year warranty program, 3-year free replacement. It's a 2019, so it's still under warranty, but I'm going to try to see if we can get it charged up. And the thing about these Optima chargers, they're really awesome at recovering batteries, but if a battery is so low that it can't charge it, it won't see that it's hooked up to a battery. And so what I do is I take a good battery, which is a new battery, it's got a good charge, and I will jump it to the dead battery, and 9 out of 9 times I can recover a really dead battery. And I gotta, yeah, that just fell off. I gotta reconnect that. So yeah, so it'll be a little bit, but I'll get it sorted out. Okay, so forgive me for the wind noise, but so I'm getting this alternator out of here. Already got the battery out, and the battery is flat, completely flat. So hopefully I get on the charger and it'll recover. But the alternator got the belt off, and I don't know if you can hear that. Let me get in there. Yeah, when the thing was running, it almost sounded like it had a knock. I think it's just alternator bearings, just toast. So yeah, I'm gonna snake this guy out. I took the bracket off, the guy that goes here to the ground, and the AC next to that. I think it's just 3 bolts. There's 2 here. I think there's 1 at the bottom. Not 100% sure. We've taken it off before, me and my son and I. There might be 2 down here also. I feel a bolt down there. So I'll get these 3 off and see if she's still holding on. If she is, then what the hell is that? Yeah, I'll get those 3 off, and if there is 4, there's 4. You know, I'll let you know. That's where we're at. Alright, so she's out. All this is the belt getting chewed up, and I'm kind of thinking it might have been from this alternator. Sorry about the wind noise, but ooh, I got one, but I don't know if you can hear this. Give it a quick spin. Yeah, it's not in a good place. Not in a good place. So she ain't charging no more. Waiting for Buddy to come back so we can, well, I gotta call them, see where they at, because I could just go grab an alternator real quick. So, but yeah, wasn't too bad. Came out the top. Everything else looks all right. So not teabag. All right, so I got a new alternator. Yeah. Triple tested, obviously. So I'm gonna stab the guy in there. We're losing daylight, so I'm just gonna throw this in and we'll try it out, and hopefully the battery's charged enough that it'll bust right off. All right, let me get this guy in there. All right, so that's that. She's good. Alternator was the key. Is a running. Let's see. Where's the battery? And she's a little right in the middle. It's all right. That's all right. Not as strong as the the old Delphi, but I think it was 13.7 volts that she's pulling. Oh, where's the guy at? There it is. Yeah. Can't see a dead gum thing. There you go. Look at the juice board. Man. So good, so good. Put the cover back on, put the brace back on. Everything's how it should be. No extra bolts. Cheers to me. Hope this helps you. Probably doesn't, but thanks for watching. And look at my hair. Just being crazy. Crazy man's hair. And on the next episode of What the Hell Did I Get Myself Into?
There we go. Finally.
I don't even know what's happening here. Are we harvesting cats or what?
Yes.
No.
Harvesting cats. You're donating the cat then, right?
Yeah, definitely.
For $250.
$250. That ain't a $250 cat. That
It
thing
is in
is
my book.
see-through. That thing is, man.
All right, you're right. 300. Price only goes up.
I brought you into this world. That's all I'm gonna say.
Sounds like the same business.
I brought him into this world. That's why he's a jerk.